Nothingness. What happens when you manifest nothingness? We call it the Shunya experience. A harmonious blend where coexistence and sustainability thrive with a luxurious glint. In 2022, we set out to craft this Shunya experience in a grand way, spanning nearly 80,000 square yards of land. Born from the vision of soulful entrepreneur Amit Rao and his passionate team, who worked tirelessly for nearly 1,000 days, we are proud to unveil GPP1. Just 30 minutes west of Ahmedabad, near Thol and adjacent to the Narmada Canal, GPP1 is a sanctuary of life, a humble offering surrounded by lakes and grasslands, where the true essence of nature is intricately woven into every aspect of daily living. At GPP1, home is not just a farmhouse. We call it the house of life, meticulously crafted of intricate design and careful execution, built to last for decades. Our nature villas are modern, cubist expressions that blend bold, minimalist forms with functional living spaces. Large glass windows seamlessly integrate nature into your home. Decks, balconies, and terraces serve as natural buffers, keeping interiors cooler while inviting the outdoors into your everyday life. We offer 3 types of nature villas, with the plug-and-play concept, offering a wide variety of customizable within-plot amenities such as swimming pool, cabana, tunnel house, campfire sit-out, polynet house, and more. This allows you the freedom to design a space that reflects your desires. A home tailored just for you, with plot sizes to suit your need. Returning to our roots, we've planted 3,000 native trees and over 1 million plants, including medicinal herbs, flowering shrubs, and more, to create a thriving microclimate. This sanctuary nurtures birds, bees, butterflies, and other forms of lives while offering us clean air and chemical-free on-site grown food, reconnecting us with nature in every way. Each monsoon, we conserve several lakh liters of water, creating an ecosystem that is cooler and cleaner than the nearby city. Built with sustainable materials, fully powered by solar energy, and designed with advanced technology, we ensure a green to grey ratio of 9:1 to have a future where resources are abundant and the planet is cared for. Our homes come with free water, free electricity, and roads designed for accessibility. This makes us a farmhouse community that not only creates but also educates and inspires. Our clubhouse is no ordinary structure. It's an earthship, a self-sustaining refuge embraced by nature's warmth. Here, a swimming pool for all ages, an indoor game room, a lounge area, and a cafe form the heart of our community. For quieter moments, the Aranya Tea Lounge offers cozy corners surrounded by gardens, perfect for enjoying a cup of tea and a book on the side. We believe life should balance connection and solitude. For some, peace is found by the lakeside. For others, joy lies in chasing butterflies at the butterfly park. Multi-sports courts and an outdoor gym invite movement, while walkways and plazas create spaces for gatherings, playful indulgences, and some quiet reflection. GPP1 is more than a weekend home. It's a green investment where like-minded individuals work together to strive for net zero emissions and to embrace a sustainable lifestyle. We invite you to visit us and witness the creation of Ahmedabad's first platinum-rated farmhouse community. Join us as we unfold our vision of an authentic farmhouse experience inspiring nature living. Visit us for more information. Green Panther Properties 1. Live like you should have.